Here's this interesting app called Superfan, the social music app. It suddenly got quite high in the charts. It's blow up. So yeah, it's pretty cool idea. Social music app. So there is a new trend in these music apps. People don't just want to listen to music that obviously you want to do obviously, but they just wanted to find a way how to share what you're listening with friends, or you want to see what your friends are listening, how to react to this, and then yeah. So that's the idea of the app, that you can connect with Spotify, only Spotify at the moment, not Apple Music. And this app just shows you what music your friends are listening to every week. It tracks the songs you listen to real time and gives you and your friends a recap every week. Create groups, invite your friends, and share your love for music. At the end of every week, you will get an AI generated vibe based on the music you listen to. So yeah, and then it's just using also some AI. There is another app in this category like Muber, where you can also install home screen widgets, lock screen widgets. But let's just see how it looks like. And then this is the app. It just has these drops. So you can see next drop is in 6 hours. Every Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern, you'll get a recap what you and your friends listened to that week. And then my recap last week. And then Vibe this week is just this app is using this AI tool to generate the vibe. Just basically, it's just which tracks you listen to on Spotify, and then it says like an octopus dancing in discotheque with all 8 tentacles. So that's the vibe this week, based on the music. So I listened to some house disco this week. So you see like stats this week. 150 total tracks, 88 unique artists, 600 total minutes. So that's pretty impressive. All right. So yeah, I spent like 10 hours on Spotify. I just listened during work. And then I can just see all the previous also prompts. Grooving like it's 1977. When the beat drops, your hip starts swaying like a magical spell. And then yeah, you just see all of these details. So it's pretty cool feature. Then you can just edit your profile, just change your name, and yeah, here just have that. So pretty cool idea, really like it. And then you can see your top songs, top albums. Then you have settings. You can see website, how it works, FAQs, account, logout. I don't know if you can delete an account or anything with your data. When there will be an Android. So I'm not sure if there is an Android. If you want to delete an account, you just need to email them. But yeah, that's the app. Is there a widget for this app? So let's just check it out. So if I just search for like Superfan. So nope, there is no home screen widget, just in case you were searching. And then let's just check out here in wallpaper. Let's just check out at widgets, and let's just see here. There is no Superfan widget as well. So unfortunately, they don't have widgets. Would be quite cool, but that's what it is. And yeah, it's not available on Android yet.